Ew, why is it so dark? Hello? Hello, guy. Ew, what the f? No, next. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm done. That's really gross. Hi, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Ew, okay, Hello?
Hello.
I'm coming to get you. Sorry, coming. Michaela's here. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do do do. Ooh, look who it is. Oh yeah, she's got her gym gear on. Let's go. Let's go to the gym. Hi guys, this is Michaela. Hello. She's my friend from school and we're gonna go and film a workout video because that's what you guys voted on. Actually, you guys voted on the like treat yourself episode 4 or something with like the spa with like my guy friends, but that's a lot of work to wrangle up my guy friends and I'm gonna have to like get a specific date or whatever, so this would be so much easier to film. Why is it blurry? My room is such a mess right now, please don't judge me.
Bro, mine is.
So we're gonna go and work out and we are going, it is 9 o'clock right now because I don't want people in there watching me film.
Like record yourself like
literally.
You're
I don't want like a bunch of people in the gym. I'm just gonna be like, so there's like nobody there at this time, but you know, I'm going with a gym buddy so I don't get kidnapped. Please ignore the mess, but okay, so here's my outfit. Oh my gosh, I literally wore this in my last video on the first day of school. Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter. She's looking. So I've got these pants on and this shirt. You guys have seen this and then a sports bra. Wow, this is literally what I wore. Don't worry, it's clean though. But I'm gonna work out in this. And okay, our room's really messy right now. I haven't cleaned it, sorry. And then these like white sneakers. So yeah, that's my workout outfit. Guys, I'm just gonna do a little stretch. Going down the stairs.
Yep, work it.
Right, let's go. Stretch. This side, yes. Just don't trip. Yep. Go backwards. Ooh.
Oh, you see that lunge? Look at the booty, look at the booty.
Skill.
Damn.
And then you just go down. Just touch it. Ow, I can't touch my toe.
Oh, oh, oh.
That's all I can do. And then we're off to the gym.
Woo!
See guys, I don't feel that self-conscious vlogging because it's literally crap. Because it's so late at night. Also, I was walking back from the gym last night and I was walking under a tree and I saw something like crawling down from the tree. It was a big ass spider. Like literally humongous, and I almost walked into it and I went like and I like skirted out of the way and like jumped into the bushes to get away from it. But yeah, also don't go to the gym alone if it's at night. Just want to let you guys know.
I have my key knife just in case.
She has a key knife just in case somebody, you know, attacks us or whatever.
Oh,
but I think we're fine. Our campus is pretty safe, but you know, always go with a buddy unless you're doing it during the daytime or whatever. Hey, we're like low-key self-conscious in the gym, it's fine. But there was like some kid on the treadmill and he looked like our friend and Michaela was like, yo, is that Justin? I was like, no, that's not Justin. Don't talk to him. Don't talk to him.
I should.
Imagine if you tapped him on the back. You're like, hey, Justin. Oh, no, it's not Justin. Goodbye. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with running on the treadmill. Oh my God, there's a kid coming. I'm so self-conscious. Anywho, so we're gonna start off with like a 25 to 30 minute run on the treadmill. Yeah, so we're just gonna get started with that and cue montage of us running.
Beautiful. You were like skipping like a little girl. I was like, what?
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys another workout really quickly. I hope you can hear me so I'm back again. So this is if you don't want to run, so you can just put the treadmill on a really high incline. So I'll show you. Grab the camera. So I put it on that number, 15 there, and then I'll usually take it up to around that number there. And this gets really difficult to do for like 10 or 15 minutes. Like look how high the treadmill is up, like off the ground.
Wow.
It really works your butt. And,
Zoom in on the booty. Zoom in on the booty.
So it's actually really difficult. And you can like take it down and be a little bit slower. You can move faster. Okay, we're gonna go on ellipticals now for like 10 minutes or something. 10 or 15. So yeah. Ta-da! Ellipticals. Okay, so we're gonna do like 15 minutes on the ellipticals. So yeah.
One step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good, feeling alive.
So now we're just gonna do stuff with weights. So after like we did our cardio, Mikhail and I are just gonna stretch now, and then we're gonna do like some ab work and like some arms and like some stuff for our legs. So yeah, but first just make sure you like stretch afterwards.
I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take, closer to each other, so much to discover.
Okay, we're done stretching now. So we're gonna start off with ab stuff, some things Adam showed me. So I'm gonna take this weight. This is 12.5 pounds. And here Michaela will film and show you what I'm gonna do with it. I'm just gonna hold the weight like this, and I'm just gonna like pick my feet up off the ground and just go back and forth like this and try to keep stable. Okay. Okay, so I don't know what this one's called, I forget, but I called it the penguin because Adam showed me. And you just bring your feet kind of close, and then your hands by your side, and you just rock like back and forth like this, and just touch the outsides of your shoes. Okay, so there's more ab stuff, but I'm just gonna do planks. So I'm just gonna hold my plank for a minute and make sure like your butt's not in the air. Kind of like
Keep it low.
down lower.
Plank time.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you.
Okay, honestly, I don't know if this works, but this works like my butt and my legs. So you can do this with or without a weight, but I'm gonna do it with a weight. And I usually just like put the weight right here and then just lift like that. And so you can do it with or without. You can do like 20, 30, 40. I don't know, honestly, it really depends. Like when it starts really burning, keep going, and then it's not really good.
Push through.
Yeah, you feel too uncomfortable. And then you literally finish, and then you switch to the other side, literally like that. Just go like that. Alright, you can stop that. I literally don't know what any of these are called, but I'm gonna take the same weight and put it like in my back of my knee right there, and then just kind of squeeze tight so the weight doesn't fall off, and just go up like that, and that works your butt, and it will start to burn a lot. And you can do 15, 20 of these, and then when you're done, just switch sides.
My aim, I've been reaching out for you, still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you.
Alright, so you can do this one standing or kneeling. So this is like 7.5 pounds. You can do heavier, lighter. Honestly, I should probably be doing lighter because it's going to get really heavy after a couple times, but we're just going to try it out. So literally, I'm just going to do a kneeling right now so you can see better. I'm just literally going to raise my arms out like this and then back down. I'm going to do that 10 times. And then I'm going to angle it a little bit forward. So it's like angled but not all the way forward.
Right, right.
Do that 10 times and then straight out in front 10 times. So it'll look like this. You'll go like out.
Kind of look like a bird.
Yeah, so you'll do that 10 times. Then you angle it.
One.
Angle it. Okay, these are really heavy, I'm not gonna lie. And then when you're done the 10, go to the front. And then do that 10 times. Lord, this is heavy. And then you can literally just repeat that. So the next one is 12.5 pounds. I'm gonna work my arms right here. And I'm literally just going to put the weight like this and go like that. I'll do that like 25 times, and then after, you can go all the way up. like this.
Wow.
You can do that 25 times also. And I really feel that in my arms. I don't know how heavy this ball is. It's kind of light, but this is the heaviest one. So I'm literally just going to do some squats. So, like this. I really hope I'm not doing this wrong.
Form looks good.
I'm gonna do like 15. So then when I'm done those, my feet were forward, I'm gonna like angle them and like spread my legs further. So it like burns right here. Do 15 of those. Then my next 15, I'm gonna go down and then come off. Oh my god, everybody SOS, there's people walking by, there was like a whole team. What kind of team comes to the gym at 10:30 at night? Is it 10:30? Oh my god,
Wait,
it's
what
so
time
late.
is it?
What the heck? We were literally taking photos for the thumbnail and just full on like basketball team walks in and they just like look through the things and I'm over here like posing for the thumbnail. I just screamed, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And then I started pacing around.
I mean, I was taking pictures of you. It was probably creepy.
That was very stressful. Okay, we literally can't see anything. Okay, no, that's really way too bright. Okay, well, we're done the gym.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you take like a couple workouts from it and use that.
Oh yeah.
Make sure you drink a lot of water. You can bring like lemon water to the gym. I find that that really helps. And yeah, just eat clean. I'm still intermittent fasting, so I hope that you guys are intermittent fasting. And yeah, so once again, I hope you take a couple workouts that Michaela and I showed you and use them. And let me know in the comment section if you guys want any more videos. Just let me know. Okay, seriously though, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Ew, ew, gross. I just went, bye.
Our hearts getting closer.